right here, Rasta, yes.
Good things come to those who wait. I know your love was worth the wait. My life is complete. Now I found you. No need to search no more. I found what I'm looking for. We've got the real thing, baby. In you I have no doubts. This is what it's all about. We've got the real thing, baby. The way I feel, you're the reason. 'Cause what we have will last through all seasons. Good things come to those who wait. I know your love was worth the wait. My life is complete. Now I found you. No need to search no more. I found what I'm looking for. We've got the real thing, baby. In you I have no doubts. This is what it's all about. We've got the real thing, baby. Oh, so real, oh yeah, so real.
Hold on to what you got. 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 If you can accept lot of criticism, then you know you're on your way.
Serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
On your journey, then you know my heart is yearning. Oh yeah, hold on to what you got. 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 If you can say on your journey, then you know on your way. If you can say on your journey, then you know my heart is really yearning. Oh yeah, hold on to what you got. 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 Yeah.
She has taken almost all that I've got. But if you
get your attention. Call you at work, can't get your extension. Where is my gate pass to your heart, girl? Do I need to write security order to get an entry? Or do I need to break the lock on your vault? But I'm a patient man, I understand. I wanna know what is your plan. Must I wait and for how long? Put an end to this frustration. See you and your friends them flirting, trying to get me hurting. But don't you see my flex is so smart, girl? And as the world keeps turning, my love for you keeps on burning. Am I always in your thought? Cut me a key, give me a gate pass to your heart. Yeah. Give me your number so we can make a start. Yeah. Cut me a key, give me the gate pass to your heart, girl. Give me your number so we can make a start. Oh, 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 yeah now. Give me the gate pass, give me the key to your heart, girl. Oh, oh.
I stopped sending flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore.
No.
I stopped dropping by without an appointment. Cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Sometimes late at night you still call me. Before you close your eyes to sleep. Yeah, I made a vow that I would drop by sometimes, but that's a promise I can't keep. Cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. No, I love you too much to ever start liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. No, you act so happy when I see you, girl. You smile and take my hand. Introduce me to your latest lover. Yeah, that's when the world starts crushing in. Cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. Yeah, I love you too much to ever start liking you.
Forever, I will love you.
Okay.
I will be true.
Some serious music right there, Rasta, yes.
I'll always be here right by your side. And every morning I'll be there when you open your eyes. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never will let you down. Yeah. Whenever you call my name, it sounds so good. I wanna hear it over again. You never have to look around whenever you need a friend. I'll hold you and I'll give to you my tender love and care. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never
No man to cause her pain and strife. She don't want no unsteady relationship. One way a rock like a rocking ship. Want a love that's steady as can be. One that brings back memory. She want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. She say she want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. She's been in and out of loving, and she says she must confess she been used and abused, but there's no more time to lose. Oh no, because she want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. Say she want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. Hear this. She want a man that's filled with ambition, one who'll sit down and set up a plan. The future is secure for all life long. She want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. To say she want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. Well, she is a sweeter than Cleopatra. She's got style, she's got class. Any man would want to pass, but oh no. She say she want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. She want a good life. No man to cause her pain and strife. She says she want a man to settle down, and a man who want a good life. And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Got to give thanks and praise unto the Father. A long time I man want this little daughter. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now. After me talk to the mother and the father, send love letters with the brothers and sisters. Them a talk how I can get the daughter, but see they know I'm not the good locks take over. She loves me now. Boy, she loves me now. She loves me now. Boy, she loves me now. I hope and I pray that she would surrender to me. Cause she was in love, but maybe too blind to see. It is. Yet people keep spreading a whole lot of rumors on me. I can't get consent from her mama nor daddy, but I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Got to give thanks and praise unto the Father. A long time I man want this little daughter. She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. She loves me now. Ooh, she loves me now. After me talk with the deacon and the elder, expressing my love for Malvina. Them a talk about me, have to come back tomorrow. Gotta settle down and get married. But see they know, said the whole of them sorry. She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. She loves me now. Ooh, she loves me now. She loves me.
I did not see what I was supposed to see. Taking it easy when a friend told me I was in danger. So much danger. Underestimating my woman, not taking her out. Working too hard and now she's gone off with a stranger. Someone I don't even know. I should have taken her out every once in a while. Dinner together on the fancy style. Show her a life that's all worthwhile. Now I guess I gotta walk an extra mile. I could beat myself. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. I could beat myself. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm gonna feel funny out there in the crowd when my friends all ask me, where is your woman? Long time I don't see. Now I've got to think fast, gotta use my head. Give a good story and make sure they buy my version of the situation. Although I don't wanna lie, I'm gonna do this once. See my reputation sinking in a distance. If they knew the truth that really existed, then my little sanity would be wasted. I could beat myself. Oh yeah, ooh yeah. I could beat myself. Oh Lord, why? Ooh, I'm hurting bad. Ooh, I'm hurting. Now I'm gonna put the blame on the person that told me. They should realize that it's gonna destroy my position. Remember, I'm a name brand. Though I really wanna hear a little news now and then, this is not what I expect to hear from my friend. I'm disappointed. But now I've got to say, I should have held her tight every once in a while. Take her to dinner on the fancy style. Show her a life that's all worthwhile. Now I know I gotta walk an extra mile. I could beat myself. Oh yeah, now I could beat myself.
I've been feeling lonely ever since you left me, baby. Missing you like crazy. Why couldn't you hold on to me? How will I get through this? I've got nothing left to love again, and I can live on memories, but that's all you left me with. Yes. Even though I try, and I refuse to cry, I can't get over you. I can't get over you. Even though I try, and I refuse to cry, I can't get over you. I can't get over you. I wanna say I'm sorry for all the things I've done to cause you pain. And I know you're feeling angry, and you don't want to talk to me. Your silence drives me crazy. Baby, I never dreamt that we could be this way. Do you think you could forgive me? Baby, forgive me. Baby, please. Yes. Even though I tried, and I refuse to cry, I can't get over you. I can't get over you. Even though I tried, and I refuse to cry, I can't get over you. I can't get over you.
No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside, and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you leave it. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be my only one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Don't know what am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you. Well, I can't do that. There's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love to be strong. But I've got time to think it through. Maybe I'm too good for you. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside. These words keep a secret. It's only we know.
Okay.
Long can they keep it?
Some serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
We lose control. We do shadows, chasing rainbows, behind closed windows, behind closed doors. If words could talk, ooh, they would say I want you more. They would say, hey, never feel like this before. And then you will always be the one for me. Yeah. Oh no. Two people making memories, just too good to tell. In these arms, never empty. 'Cause when we're lying where we stand, painting pictures, making magic, taking chances, making love. If words could talk, ooh, they would say I want you more. They would say, hey, never feel like this before. And that you will always be the one for me. If the world had eyes, mine, they would see the love in you. To take you out and show you what my love can do. Do you want to go to heaven with my arms around you? You take my breath away if only you would say. It's only you and I, and that's the way.
Yes, that's the way I love to play while I'm in. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard.
You there to my secret hideaway. So in love with you, but I feel you know that true. Every time you catch me, I stare, you know, you see right through. You get so close to me that I can almost taste you when I do want to go to heaven with my arms around you. Take my breath away if only you would say. It's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay. Take you there to my secret hideaway.
Love is much more to life than just word. Love is much more than to say you love. Love is all on me, brother. Love is all on me, sister.
Some serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
Love from the heart, 'cause love is the start, yeah. Love is the answer for every question. Just ask yourself why. Love is the key. Open the door when they're closing your face. Love shows you the way. have to share. Don't you forget that. I hope you hear. Send them a message to you out there. I hope you get it clear, yeah. Do not mistake my unmistakable sound. Whenever you see my face, always a smile on the rocks and proud. Love is much more to life than just word. Love is.
In your arms I'm safe, secure. Every care around me melts away. When you hold me, I forget every word that I wanted to say. I am really lost in your love. There's no one else for me. I surrender completely. Oh, my heart's racing, I'm shaking, caught up in the love we're making. This is no ordinary love. Oh, baby, your skin on my skin. Oh, it's so good, I feel like crying. This is no ordinary love. I don't ever wanna say goodbye. I could never breathe, never survive. Baby, you're my reason why I believe there's meaning in my life. I have faith in love, faith in us, and faith that this is right. I surrender forever tonight. Oh, my heart's racing, I'm shaking, caught up in the love we're making. This is no ordinary love. Oh, baby, your skin on my skin. Oh, it's so good, I feel like crying. This is no ordinary. Didn't wanna fall in love no more. Was so sad, I fell so many times, I hit the floor. Hurt so bad, I didn't want no one to bring me down. Was sick and tired, then you came to lift me off the ground, and you take me higher. We rise in love. Keep rising
Serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
higher, we're flying, far enough we're right. Rescue me from all the pain I felt before I met you. Dried my eyes and made me smile again. You helped me get through. Now I know what love's supposed to be. It's like you're flying. Now I know the love I found is real, 'cause it keeps on rising. We rise in love. Keep rising.
Yes.
the answer for the question I asked. No time to linger, it will surely last. You've got a crush on me, I know, going crazy for me. Obstacles standing in your way won't let you be. People watching every move you make, all the steps you take. Wait that I need you, babe, can't take a break. No time to linger. Got
No,
to
no,
be
no,
your
no.
lover. Got what you require, love and happiness. Give me the answer for the question I asked. No time to linger, it will surely last. I love you, you know, can't afford to let this feeling go. I'll give you my all, answer to your every call. We could build a chemistry, love to last for a lifetime. Have a little family, please be mine. Oh, baby, hey, please be mine. No time to linger. No, yeah. You've got a crush on me, I know, crazy for me.
Can you hear me screaming from afar? Somebody help me from this height, don't wanna fall. But if I do, would you catch me? Now take the whole thing from beginning. Press rewind and things become revealing. With all the hit fancy lights and glamour, autograph to please your ego, yeah. You don't know what's up with me. Can't find food to feed my family. My life is like an open book. Turn a page, come take a look. Oh, walk a mile in my shoe, and you would feel what I'm feeling. From where I'm standing, things don't look too good. No, 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 no. Come and walk a mile in my shoe, and you would feel what I'm feeling. From where I'm standing, things don't look too good. No, no, no. Gotta make a move real fast. Take my life to the future from the past. In my hands, I gotta take it slow. There are things I like to know. I've been mistreated all so much. Sometimes I don't know how I carry on. You don't know, you never know. Never a sign to show. Come and walk a mile in my shoe, and you would feel what I'm feeling. From where I'm standing, things don't look too good. No, 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 no. If you walk a mile in my shoe, come walk a mile in my shoe. Not 2 mile, 3 mile, 4 mile, not 5 miles, 6 miles, 7 mile, not 8 mile, 9 mile, 10 mile. Only 1 mile, come walk a mile in my shoe. If you walk a mile in my shoe, yeah. Walk a mile in my shoe, and you would feel what I'm feeling. Where I'm standing, things don't look too good. No, 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 no. If you hear me screaming from afar, somebody help me from this height, don't wanna fall. But if I do, will you catch me? Now take the whole thing from beginning. Press rewind and things become revealing. We know the hits, fancy lights and glamour.